Hey, hello. Down here a few kilometers out west, it's a small lake. Let's go and see if we can find and kill some fish. And do some other stuff, I don't know. Let's find out. Just going out for a walk. Here we have the small lake. Let's see if we can get in position for some fishing. Or first of all, I want to look at the surface and see if there is any fish at the moment. Also, been very heavy rain all night long, and after heavy rain, fishing is normally poor, and that counts for most areas here in the northern sphere. The platform down there I was standing on, and I could actually see some rings in the water here and there, but not seen anything in here yet. I'm fishing with just a pole and so on. I would of course be limited to this close area. Well, not too much going on with the fishing, and it's 4 o'clock, so I would rather do something else actually. Also at the moment I'm just experimenting with making fire without birch bark, so I'm pretending there's no birches around, because as long as there's birch, it's goddamn easy. And here now it is extremely wet. I mean, seriously, it's not even raining. This is how damp it is. That's damp. So to make fire without birch is interesting. The one now is a board, something. And as you should be able to see, this saw here actually works. Not the best saw, not the worst either. Oh, nice little board here. Not bad at all. Could cut this off and use this as well. Get this fluffy stuff here. You can see I'm just shaving gently. Not going into the tree at all. There's no need to harm the tree. Well, here's some scraping, some bark peelings, a little bit of resin in it as well. I'll try and make some very fine scrapings with my Victorinox here. So most times when I have failed to make a fire has been because everything has been too small. The whole setup has been too small, and I know, maybe it's a problem here. But we could get a fire working with this. This I'm sure of. We could get a fire going with this, no problem. From now on, it's not a problem. Just keep feeding it, and I'm sitting on the spruce, so it shouldn't be a big problem. But if I hadn't made this board, the damp ground will most likely have sucked every inch of fire out of it, because what happens is that you heat up the water in the ground and leaves and everything, and it becomes steam, and it goes up through your fire and it puts it out. And what I like about these different magnesium devices here is that the magnesium makes two good things, I think. Firstly, it makes you save your ferro rod, get you out of the smoke. And the second thing is that where you put the magnesium powder and or the scrapings, and you'll learn how to do it, is that you just need to make it like a little spark, and it will catch on. So it's much more precise. So back at the homestead, check the links. like me on Facebook. See you next time in Russia, guys.